Alright, we got some major curvature here in this piece. I gotta work on taking out, but this is the last piece of tiger wood. Got my microphone's covered there. There we go. It's the last piece of tiger wood I have available for these essels I'm making. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got the got it straightened out here. There's a little bit of a dip there, crook still left in there on the bottom. It's pretty good up there, pretty flush there, but a little bit still in the middle. But I'm gonna take the angle out of this anyway, so most of it will be removed, and what little will be falling back there will just be the very front edge, so it shouldn't be a big deal. I want to leave as much on there for some weight to hold the coin. So next we're gonna make our angle cut. All right, we got our first angle cut made. We're gonna drop our depth a bit more on the lip and take a bit more out. Okay, gotta go a bit more. Look at this, guys. This get this right. Looks like these are just stuck under the water, going round and round. Okay, now we're gonna make one out of zebra wood. Got this little block here, we're gonna cut a chunk off of. Okay, so we got this piece, and I like how with the last one, my angle went with the zebra wood striping. And so I'm going to try to do the same thing this time and get that angle going, angle of the cut with the angle of the stripes. And so basically we're doing this here. Got to take that out there, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, almost there. I'm going to take one more swipe out of this. Take that last blade out. And we should be good to go. This is my first time I made it out of one big piece instead of having them cut up and then running them through the saw. Just made one big piece and then I can cut it up. And I also thought maybe somebody would just want this whole piece now that I have it in one big piece. So there's that, yeah. Hey Tiger, so I got some more Essels made up. I got these big zebra wood. Those are nice and heavy duty. They handle these big 5 ounces no problem. Also they handle the slabs. And then I have these 1 ounce Essels. Now normally I would cut these up and I could make about 5 of these out of that small Essel. For the 1 ounces, but I just thought, you know, I would, before I cut them up, I'd give you the option to see if you wanted, you know, wanted to leave them whole and just take them like that. These ones back here, should I cut them up into individuals? You let me know. Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video on this new coin pinger keychain coin pinger design. And I'm going to be using a Silver Eagle for an example. So you just open the jaws up a bit, slide your coin in there and center it, and now it's held into place on its own there. And so then if you install a coin pinger app, this is called Coin Tester, and I've already typed in Silver Eagle and it brings in type 1 or type 2. Man, nice zoom, really. Yeah, so type 1 or type 2. I'm going to, actually I want type 2. So now we're going to back out a bit and test this thing out. So we hit check and hit it a few times. Analyzing, yes, this is a real genuine Silver Eagle type 2. And what I want to point out is, if you take something like this, this is a Russiskaya Federatia Bank Russi ruble, 5 ruble. And it's from 2018. So if you take this 3 ruble and you were to put it in the and test it out, even though they're both, so both these are 3/9 fine, 1 ounce of pure silver, but this one, if you put it in and test it, let's try that out. Not enough data. Oh, okay. Bad. So, and you could do that same thing. I'm going to use just a 1 ounce trade dollar. We'll try that out. Bad. I'll try another. I'll try this one instead. This is another type 2. Yep. So it's distinct enough to tell the difference between, you know, the exact type of coin it is. You know, I think I could even do this with a type 1 or type 2, like it has the option there, and probably, you know, type 1 wouldn't pass for a legit Eagle, but it has to be a type 2 to pass. So like the coin pinger is actually quite precise in that way. I was really surprised to see that it could tell that slight of a difference between coins, even if they're all pure silver. So anyway, this coin pinger will be up and available on my website, longlivedcoins.com, along with some easels. So Go check out, and maybe some shortly here I'm going to put a couple pieces of silver up too. So go check that out, longlivedcoins.com. Catch you on the next one.